So it's a total bummer when you're trying to throw together a presentation or your portfolio and you have to go through all of your Photoshop files. In Windows Explorer, it only shows the Photoshop icon. It doesn't actually give you a thumbnail showing you what is actually in that Photoshop file. So today, I'm going to show you how to turn that Photoshop file icon into a thumbnail in Windows Explorer. If we're just meeting, my name's Prinsen, and here at AltArch, we offer an alternative perspective on all things architecture and design. If you want more Photoshop tutorials, check out this playlist here, and I've got it linked in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Right now I'm in Windows Explorer, and you can see all these Photoshop files. They actually don't have a thumbnail, so it's hard for me to tell which one is which other than what I named them. And if you're anything like me, your naming system is absolutely terrible. So even if you go to View and set it to extra large icons, you still don't get the thumbnail like you would with these JPEGs here. So I'm going to go back up to View and change it to medium icons. And now let's go to our Internet Explorer. Down in the description below is a link to a program called SageThumbs. It's a powerful Windows shell extension allowing us to preview images, meaning all of our Photoshop files, instead of having the Photoshop icon, will actually be a thumbnail of what that image is. So we're going to click Download, give it some time. After it's done downloading, let's go ahead and run it. Click Yes. Click OK for whatever language you prefer. Next. Select I agree. I like to check for a new version before install. Click Next again. I don't like to create shortcuts. And now click Install. After it's done installing, click Next. And finally, click Finish. Alright, now let's head back into our Windows Explorer. And as you can see, it populated all the Photoshop files with an image now, so we can actually see what they are. If you liked the video, please like the video and make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you're throwing together like a PDF or portfolio and you need a way to export it quickly with a low file size, check out the video I have up there. It's going to help you out with that. Also, the video at the bottom there is another one that I think you'll get a lot of value from. Regardless though, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.